Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. We're making a healthy banana bread. And with chocolate. We have 3 bananas. 1, 2, 3. And then we also have 1 cup of oatmeal. And we also going to put chocolate in the banana bread. Because we're going to have lots of fun making it. Let's smush the bananas. You always have to grab the spoon out of coolie. We're going to add 1 cup of this that's called oatmeal, and then we're going to put it in a blender so we can make oatmeal flour. It looks like dry oats to you, but in the end, it was good. That's the correct button. Oh yeah. Now we put our oatmeal flour. And we're going to put some also protein children shake. 1 cup. 1/4. Maybe you see it?
Yes.
Right? 1/4. That's the cup. Now we're going to stir it up. First spoon pour. Then we're going to do the apple by sticking it. 1/3 cup of coconut sugar. Then we just apply a little. We're now going to put 1 tablespoon of almond butter. Just scoop it around.
Mm-hmm.
One teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're going to have eggs. So 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs. And now we're going to crack it. And I used the knife earlier. Just in case. I want to show you eggs don't have blood. So else you can't eat them. We'll always be careful with eggs. So it's a little. Look at that. Just put it down.
Beautiful.
If you want, we can put the egg yolks, but we're just going to mix it. And then later
Snow.
on, we're going to, it looks like snow. Like a sugary smell. And then later when we're done and making it, it's going to look spectacular. Now we're going to use our beautiful whipper. And it's okay if you have banana pieces. You can always fix that. And don't worry if you have a mess. You can always find a way to clean it. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. So now we're going to mix up. Now it's going to be a little bit creamy, like real cream. You can just mix it like this. Now we're going to pour a mixture, but be careful. It can make a lion mess. So be careful not to pour it too much.
So be careful putting it out.
I got this
You need help?
on my birthday.
You need help?
Kid. Always be careful just in case you accidentally got hurt when you're cooking. Always have adult supervision when you're cooking. When you're like in the age of 18, you can cook by yourself. But always remember, maybe you're 6 years old or 7, because I'm 7. Which is my birthday really passed already. Now we're going to have 300 Fahrenheit of the oven. Be careful. You should always have a doll putting it. And then I'm gonna do the banana dance. And then when I finish, we'll do the banana dance. Let me say. Mommy, please be careful. Now we'll do a banana dance. Banana. We say banana on top of our lungs. Banana, yeah, yeah, yeah. Banana, yeah, yeah, yeah. Banana, banana's for almost every recipe. So yummy, healthy for your bones. Everything keeps you healthy, but not the health junk. Everything, only bananas are the one that has yellow peeling. Look like a foam cone peeling. Everything keeps me singing. Why? Everything keeps me saying banana, yeah, na 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 banana na 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 banana 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 banana. Well done. We're ready to eat our banana bread. We just have to say a prayer.
Baruch Atah Hashem Elokeinu Melech Haolam Borei Minei Mesonot.
Good. It's actually really good.
You can eat it with your hands, you know that, right? Just grab it and eat it with your hands.
Remember to subscribe to my channel. We're gonna get more. Thanks for watching. Come back for more. Subscribe to my channel.